Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll learn how to copy a file link on Google Drive using the mobile app. But first, a quick note. Backup means creating a copy of your important files to keep them safe from loss or damage. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the Files tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, scroll through your files to find the one you want to share. After locating the file, tap the three vertical dots next to it. Following that, select the Copy Link option. Finally, the link will be copied to your clipboard, ready to share wherever you need. To sum up, copying a link in Google Drive is quick and easy, helping you share files efficiently. Remember to keep backups of your important data to prevent any accidental loss. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.